around in the dirt?
Mm-hmm. I'm doing it again too. Oh, they're so cute.
My dirt.
They weren't this active last time I was here, but they were real little.
Oh, look, he's coming over now.
Are we just having are we having a party? You are dirty. Get in the water. Oh, look at him. He really is pushing him in. Like,
I don't want to go in. I just got dirty.
oh, this is so funny. Oh, he really is. He's like pushing him in. Like, get in the water. Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, God, he's pushing him in the water.
Fine, Ma. Oh. Well, excuse you. He's okay. He's okay.
Oh, my dirt.
He's okay.
Oh, my heart hurts.
That poor little kid over there was like, oh, he fell.
Big one, get in the water, please.